Hello everyone, how are you all? This is your Rupa and welcome to my channel Paruz Akshay Patra. Please watch the video from starting to ending so that you can understand what are the best 5 tips which can be useful to study well and remember whatever you study and crack your all kinds of examinations. Thank you so much. Hey, are you frustrated? Because you are putting in regular study time and yet still don't know how to remember what you study? If your answer is yes, don't worry. Then you are not alone. So many of my students also share they are putting in the time, working so hard to go through their learning materials and textbooks and still coming up short at exam time, struggling to remember what they studied. Yes, I know it's frustrating, embarrassing and sucks the motivation out of you. And the good news is this big problem has a very simple solution, and it has a major impact on how quickly you are able to prepare for your examinations and how well you remember whatever you studied and how well you do on your examinations. Then come on, follow me with my ABCDE tips. What is meant by my ABCDE tip? ABCDE, these 5 letters will give you a clear picture how to remember your studies and how to do well in your examination. ABCDE. Anybody can do extraordinary in their examinations if they remember my 5 tips of ABCDE. Are you ready to follow me? Then come on, let's get into the video. So to remember very easily, the 5 tips of mine are going to give you with the letters of ABCDE, and you can easily remember this. For every letter, I'll give you 2 statements. One is to apply for your self-analysis and another one is for your self-application. If you follow for each letter with 2 statements, what I'm going to give you, if you apply that in your life, definitely you can study well, you can remember whatever you study and you can crack your examination. We'll start with this ABCDE. So with letter A, I'm going to give you 2 statements. Number 1, avoid stressing yourself, and number 2, apply what you have studied. I know many of you or many of us become stressed out during our examinations, and dealing with stress effectively is a lifelong process of learning about and accepting about ourselves as well as about your capabilities. So understanding what is your capacity and gaining awareness of self-discovery and self-mastery and self-triggers is very, very, very important. Please remember, the more you engage in this process of self-discovery and self-mastery of yourself, the more powerful you become in mitigating the stress and dealing with it and different life supporting ways. So avoid stressing yourself about your examinations or about your studies. Second statement for letter A is apply what you have studied or what you have read. One of the best ways to remember what you read or what you study is to find opportunities to use it. Am I right? Application is very, very important. Whenever you get an opportunity to apply it and come out with the solution by learning something is very, very important. So try to apply whatever you have written, and before you are applying that, write a synopsis. After you understand whatever the concept you studied, write a synopsis and discuss it with someone, and all applications will help you to turn these ideas into your memories so that whenever you want to apply it in the future, it will become very, very easy to remember what you have studied. So with letter A, you need to remember, avoid stressing yourself and apply what you have studied. Now the second letter B, which gives you 2 statements, believe in yourself and block distractions. Believing in yourself means having faith in your own capabilities. It means believing that you can do something, that it is within your ability. When you believe in yourself, you can overcome self-doubt and have the confidence to take an action and get this done perfectly. Second statement for letter B is block distractions. It's very, very important. To hit your daily reading goal, you need to help yourself by blocking your distractions like social media and entertainment sites while you are trying to read. And please keep away all your distraction modes whatsoever, your mobile, your TV, your entertainment sites, or your social media. You please keep aside or block your distractions so that you can concentrate best during your studies. So letter B says believe in yourself and block distractions. Third, letter C. C always says commit to regular reading sessions and check your notes regularly. Commit to regular reading sessions. Not only does this help you to get through books quickly, but consistent reading has also been found to increase attention span, develop deeper connections, and make us more attentive and empathetic. And so commit to regular reading sessions. Point 2 is check your notes regularly. That's very, very important. Whenever you complete your reading part, close your notebook and please have a glance by closing your eyes. How did you write? What did you write? And everything within a glance you need to imagine. So when you are continuously checking your notes while you are reading, regular checking of your notes will give you a clear imagination. Please write notes in a proper way and check your notes regularly. So point 3 is commit to regular reading sessions and check your notes regularly. Letter number 4, D, indicates with the two statements, don't move on until you understand or confident on the concept what you have studied and doubt clarification. First of all, don't move on until you are confident with your answer what you have studied or whatever the concept what you have studied, and rest assured. And you will understand concepts better going through this route. Second statement of D says always doubt clarification. So doubt clarification is the best way to keep up your studies long lasting and remember well for a long time. And don't neglect it forever. And when you are not clear in your understanding of any concept, keep asking your teacher, mentor, or a friend who can clarify your doubts and make you clear and confident. Letter D says don't move on to the next concept until you are very clear with the concept what you have studied, and doubt clarification immediately with your teacher. Fifth letter, letter E. Letter E always says explain it to someone. Whatever you have studied, please try to explain it to someone if you have a chance, and express yourself. So one of the best ways to really learn anything is to explain it in the basic terms it's possible, and talk to your friend about it and discuss it whatever you understand about the concept, and always share your thoughts. Try to explain it and try to teach whenever you get a chance to a group of students or to your peer group or to a friend. Whenever you get a chance to teach or whenever you get a chance to explain it, whatever you have learned and understood, please try to do that. So explaining and expressing of whatever you understood or you studied is helping you to remember for a long time. So E always says express yourself in a possible ways. Whatever you studied, explain it to someone, whatever you have studied. So the more you read, remember and connect to your ideas, the more your knowledge base grows. So please remember, it's not only useful to make you confident but also creative. Hope you all like this video and apply all these ABCDE tips in your life. And if you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to share this to your family and friends. Thank you so much. This is your Rupa.